Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Pixel 8 Pro, and let me share with you how to check for the software updates on this device. So the most important thing before we'll start is the internet connection. So make sure that you've got connection, that you're connected with the Wi-Fi or you're using the mobile data, and then we can enter the settings. In the general settings, we have to scroll down to the very bottom in order to find the system. Now let's scroll down and find the system update. And as you can see, here we've got the currently, in my case, installing system update. Basically, you've got two different scenarios which you can kind of meet. So the first one is whenever your device is up to date, you will receive proper information that everything is okay and you've got the newest version. And the second scenario is when your device can download the update, you will have kind of a button to simply download it. Of course, it will show you the information about the new version, so any kind of bugs which has been fixed, etc. So basically, this is how it works in this device. That will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.